Sitting on the sand by the vast sea always has a calming power. Hearing the waves gush and the breeze in the horizon has the power of finding yourself and losing everything else. My name is Aditi, and I call myself a nomadic soul. I am an artist, a psychologist, a healing practitioner, a medium, but above all, a human with a deep belongingness to the stars. I've oftentimes found myself traveling to places far and away, getting lost in these places to only find back pieces of my soul. These travels have led me to exploring and tapping into so much more than imagined, and the Crystal Sea Oracle was born out of one such exploration. The sea has this magical healing ability. It offers wisdom, peace, and is somehow in sync with our inner feelings and emotions. It is nothing less than magic. When you believe in this magic, the experiences on this journey find a newer meaning, and tapping into this wisdom is blissful. Painting the cards of this deck was profoundly healing for me and those around me. Each painting and its symbolism was channeled during my meditation. Each card speaks a story. As you draw a card, feel it, vibrate with it, and listen to the story speaks to your soul. Use them for guidance independently or along with other decks. Use them as prompts for creating art or for journaling. Be as creative as you'd like when using them. This deck is an invitation to see more, observe clearly, and connect deeply. In our busy everyday lives, I hope that drawing a card from this deck helps you pause, reflect, ground, and appreciate the little things around us, and in turn connect more deeply with yourself. On this note, I'll leave you all with the water song as my gratitude for all that is. Mi bivapo endayen aki misti mi bivapo he